BNZ Business Airpoints Visa New Zealand pricing explained what you get for your money. If your business regularly sends employees on flights, the BNZ Business Airpoints Visa can be a game changer. You won't believe how quickly everyday spending can turn into Airpoints dollars, which can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, or partner rewards. The card has an annual fee of Ns and earns one Airpoint dollar for every spent, with bonus points on travel-related purchases. New cardholders also enjoy a welcome bonus after a minimum spend, giving your business a head start on rewards. Most businesses overlook how quickly these points can cover flights for frequent travelers, effectively reducing travel costs. Travel protections include medical coverage, trip cancellation, lost luggage insurance, and purchase protection. Lounge access and concierge services are included, providing convenience and security for employees on the go. Many companies underestimate how valuable these protections are in mitigating unexpected expenses. Additional features include supplementary cards for staff, detailed expense tracking, and reporting tools, making it easy to manage multiple employees' spending while maximizing rewards. In conclusion, the BNZ Business Airpoints Visa is perfect for New Zealand businesses aiming to earn Airpoints dollars, protect travelling employees, and simplify financial management. While the annual fee is higher than standard business cards, the combination of rewards, insurance, and business-friendly perks offer strong value for frequent travellers.